Hello my Vidyanjalites. Welcome back to our English class. By yesterday we finished our classwork, right? Yes. We wrote difficult words, meanings and then question and answers. Today we are going to answer the textual exercises which are given. Okay? Now open textbook page number 18. In page number 18, the Roman which is given is read and understand. In that first one, open page number 18, take out your pencil and see that. Read the words below. Now listen to your teacher, read section 1 as listen to her, tick the words that you hear. Can you see 9 sentences over there, 9 words over there? Yes. Now I will read the section 1, section A. You don't open that page. You just look into these words and when I read, if you hear the word, just tick it. Okay, is it clear? Once again I am saying, you don't turn the page. I will read section 1. You have to look into your book and you have to find the word which I read. And if you listen that word, just tick it. Is it clear? Yes. Section 1. Once upon a time, there was a little mouse called Misty. Little mouse. So, tick it. He lived in the country. One day, he asked a little mouse called Mickey from the city to visit him. When Mickey arrived, they sat down for dinner. Misty gave him barley and cauliflower to eat. Mickey was surprised. Yes, surprised word is there, no? Tick it. Really, he said, you don't eat well at all. You should see how I live. I have all sorts of fine things to eat every day. You must come to visit me. It is really very nice to live in the city. Little Misty did just that. A few weeks later, he went to the city to visit his friend. Mickey took Misty to a cupboard. It was in the kitchen of the house where he lived. They climbed onto the lowest shelf. There, behind some stone jars, stood a big bag. See, find the words which are already I read. Is that all is not there? Find things to eat. It is there. Live in the city. Yes. Visit his friend. Yes. Out in the street. No, it's not there. Now, stood a big bag of brown sugar. Big bag. Yes. Little Mickey ignored a hole in the bag. Then he invited his friend to have some sugar. The two little mice nibbled and nibbled. Misty thought it was the most delicious thing he had ever eaten. How lucky Mickey is, he thought as he ate. Suddenly the door opened with a big bang. The cook Mary wanted to get some flour. Big bang. Is it clear? See, third one we did not find in the section 1 and seventh one also we did not find. You need not cross it, just for identification I kept like this. Is it clear? Now, section B, section 2 and 3 you have to read, right? See what they gave? Read section 2 and 3. Write true or false on the blanks. Okay. Now, what you have to do is pause the video and read section 2, section 3 and then continue seeing the video. Okay. Have you read? Yes. Have you answered that, Roman? Okay. Now, I am giving the answers. Just check your answers. After the cook went away, Mickey and Misty ate a raisin. Yes or no? Yes. So, write true. Second one. Misty did not like the taste of the raisin. Is it true? No. It liked it very much. So, false. The mice hid in a hole to get away from Bella, the cat. Yes or no? When they heard the scratch sound and meow, then immediately they went to the hole. So, third one is true. Fourth one. Mickey then took Misty to the cellar. Yes or no? Yes. Fourth one is True. Misty ate onions and pickles in the cellar. Did they eat that? No, they did not eat that. So, false. Mickey nearly ate, sixth one. Mickey nearly ate a piece of cheese in a trap. Yes, it was about to eat. Yes or no? Yes. So, true. Okay. Misty nearly ate. It means Misty was about to eat that cheese on the trap. Then Mickey immediately came and stopped him. Is it clear? Okay. Yes. Page number 19, E Roman. Read the story again. Tick the correct answers. As just we read section 1, section 2, I think you need not read again. Let's try to attempt the answers. Okay. What did Misty, the country mouse, eat at home? Yes. Actually, we don't know what does it eat. But when the Mickey came to Misty, he kept barley and cauliflower. Yes, no? Then what does he eat? Barley and cauliflower. Answer is C. Second one. Where did Mickey first take Misty? To the cupboard in the cellar? To the kitchen cupboard? Down the cellar stairs? To the kitchen cupboard. So, answer is B. Next, what was on the top shelf of the kitchen cupboard? Bread and butter, bunch of raisins, bunch of grapes. Yes. On the top shelf of the kitchen cupboard, there are raisins. So, answer B. Next, why did Misty go back to the country? He wanted to live alone in his house. He liked only barley and cauliflower. He did not want to be frightened all the time. He liked the raisins and all what Mickey eat. But he felt that here life is at risk. Yes or no? So he was frightened and he wanted to go to his own country. Right? So answer is C. C. First answer is C. Second, B. Third, B. Fourth, C. Is it clear? Tomorrow we will finish the remaining Romans. Complete the textbook. Okay? And that's for today. Bye-bye.